Welcome back, and have a look at these two. They're still trying to teach each other this contraption Rob got overseas just a couple of nights ago. We left you last episode with bullets stuck again. I couldn't go forward and I couldn't go back. Lots of load on that rear left axle.
Forward.
I need to go back.
No, you can't because you're on your...
Don't go back, Dave.
Rear spring anchor.
Actually...
You reckon it'll go?
Oh, Frankie, that laugh. We've been stuck like this before, and unfortunately, Frankie was there last time this happened.
That back wheel's stopping me.
Yeah, right.
We've been here before, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've been here before, haven't we?
Yeah, if we get down through there, it's working.
Using the wheels.
Yeah, there's a guide.
We decide to pull right and just see where that will put us.
What's the bead lock look like? Not scratched, I hope?
It's brand new.
That's a big hole. Let's just jump in there, show them. Don't roll back on me, bullet. Oh, look at it now. But that there was the problem. I reckon you get a tape measure, that's 40 inches in diameter, rock to rock, and I was wedged. It's a good call. We survived. Was there a better way I could have gone?
I reckon right instead of straight ahead.
So does that mean I have to come around and do it again? Do you reckon just that?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, can't it? It's only just coming down that, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all it is.
Or do you want to spool it out?
I love looking for it,
Yeah, but verse who? There's nobody else here doing it.
you got to verse yourself. Maybe not. You can come back. Tell him to go right hand down more. Maybe it'll happen. So what I think might happen is it'll skirt your left again. Oh.
Go, it feels like it wants to.
Okay.
Go up to high gear and give it.
Oh, you can roll it, yeah. That was something else.
So it looks like the consensus, they're ganging up on me. The only way that I can lose this challenge is if somebody else drives it. The big rock. Oh no, it's not so big.
What do you want to do with it? So you need to go right up the gut? I'm going to put it here. I don't know, I think you're going to end up in here. Same thing. You reckon? Yeah.
He's narrower though. I'm 80 series with big,
Yeah,
he's only 75, same as a highlight. And he's got, oh, you got big rims.
That might actually do it. Looks a lot bigger now.
The truck? Yes, he's got his nose up. Yeah.
Am I going to hit my tail shaft if I move it a bit?
It doesn't look like it. May the force be with you. What? He ate that. That's amazing. 33-inch tyres. Verse 40s. Well done. Right, where's the Jimny? This is going to make the Ranger want to go.
Not happening. I've broken enough stuff.
That was insane.
That
was a really good line. So where the advantage he had over me is he's just that bit narrower. So he didn't need to be in that hole. But clearance was like, he had heaps.
That was spot on. Everything that needs to happen, happened.
He did.
Yeah.
He came back, had a scratch at his shaft, and then went, you know what? Hold on. Well done.
You can do it on 33s, so...
You can do it on 33s. I'm going home. You got beaten by 33s! What are you going to do, mister? Just put your nose up it, so we'll at least get some photos out of it.
And at least if you have a feel, you'll know if you want to do it or not once you get your nose up. Yeah. Like, I felt pretty comfortable.
It was comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was awesome. The RC car's coming. No, that's the same. I think you're going to need to commit. But like...
This is where you really got to make a decision.
Just load it up on it. But you just want to be a little bit left hand down, just a touch.
Doesn't feel nice.
Well, it's ballsy to get to there, so you don't do it because we're telling you to, do it because you want to.
Make sure it's your own decision,
because you got no way of jumping back down. You can't throw your foot down on the clutch, can you?
No, I can slap it into neutral.
Well, get ready.
Different wheelbase. Yeah,
You,
arms on this side.
well, can we get that rock in?
Back it a bit? Yeah, you want to get that rock in. I think it needs to be back on this side as well.
Nah, this side too. Stop, stop. So Rob's going to move that rock so it picks up his passenger rear. I was just under there, it's just so clean. No oil leaks. Could eat your lunch under there. Look at the size of that pumpkin. Look, my hand is wider than the back of that. Go. Woo! No.
Can't go back, you'll have to jump down.
Yeah. Do you know somebody put a rear suck down winch on the front of your car? You win this one.
I need a shackle.
Oh, do we? Hang on, this could still be the wildest drive. Just under winch. Just grab one off my car, whichever earring you want. There's two at the front, two at the back.
Whichever one will move.
Yeah, I know. They hit a lot of rocks. I'm glad we did this bit. That was awesome seeing you drive that. It was either mine to lose or yours to win, and you won. It looks like a freewheeling hub. Are you serious? It's plastic too. I'll just take it in a little bit. It's louder than his motor.
Now with my rear suck down, I didn't have the D-shackle connected to the back of the wrap bar. Now while he was winching in, somehow, bullet wasn't too far away, but somehow it gave power to my winch and started spooling it in. Now once it got to the end, it just kept going. Lucky Frankie didn't have to winch far. I had to pull it all apart at home just to free up the rope. But I'm dumbfounded how it actually happened. I've seen RC remotes run other cars, but this one I've never seen.
Take the slack up. We might need to move the cable again, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get you just to come up. So you got to go left hand down and just come up a little bit with the winch. All right, your shoelace is done up there. Drive a little bit. Left hand, left hand. Yeah, baby. Wasn't a big recovery. And hats off, mate. Hats off. I asked him before, how come he didn't have like a custom rear bar? You got to get yourself a rear bar. Or you're happy with
all this whole, like this whole
Oh no.
I was waiting for it to rip off. I was waiting for it to rip off.
You're happy with
all this whole, like this whole
Oh no.
Because you don't have a rear bar, do you?
No, my car's fine.
Okay.
He does, it's just plastic. And he said he hadn't broken that one.
Well, now you've forced his hand.
Well, I think it's time for my mate Joel to whip me one up.
Yep.
Yep, left indicator. Yep, all right, where's your pink slip? I'll sign it. Yep, for the record, it'll come with us to the bin.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say Mikey's taking the smart way. Not easy or hard, but smart. Still a good ledge. Which way do you go?
I'm just trying to go straight up.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it's a double step.
It is a double step. It's an exact double step. Good eyes. It's only a double step on the driver's side. That's it. You got it. You keep coming at that. Yeah. Nice. Keep going.
Hey, you know, that nickname Jason Ventura.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Pet detective? Why?
Because his head's always...
Oh, yeah. Yeah, nice.
Head's always
Oh yeah. Right in. Got it. Well done. That tape was on a couple of runs back. I think the silicon's dry or whatever you're trying to hold.
I got the things here, I got the brackets.
What'd you break?
Is my right blinker stuck on?
Oh yeah, it is. Just keep driving, it might come off. Otherwise you'll be doing a lot of right turns on the way home.
Yeah.
Only right hand turns.
I hate it so much. I'm gonna burn it.
I don't know if I get my nose up straight on. Let's see how I go.
Yeah, come back, I'll just roll it in. Front lock is not in.
I really like what's in
You. Nice. Commitment. Same again. Oh, beautiful. Look at that fluency. Okay, this is the beer o'clock one. Nice.
Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. It's your turn.
Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Oh, you backed off. Yeah, I got it. Oh. Yeah, nice. So much traction here. How good spring. You'd be no good in a comp, you know why?
What?
You wouldn't be able to get through that window net.
That's so cool.
Yeah. A little bit right. To flex a lot. Oh, lovely. So that back right's holding you up. Just quietly, there's another chimney behind us. I can take that tail light off.
That'd be good.
Nah. Freeze hub so he gets stuck and I'll unscrew it. What do you mean hubs are so 70s? Mikey spat that one there for you.
I know. Nice placement.
Nice.
I wouldn't mind some spare axles as well from the other.
Have they got good ones, have they? Has he got the good ones?
I don't know, whatever he's got better than mine.
Yeah, it's better. That's right. Better than a broken one, you mean?
Yeah, that's right. Some spares would be handy.
Well done. Woo.
Another chimney.
Frankie's doesn't lift that easy. Oh, these guys have got sway bars in. Much skinnier tyre too.
Hey Frankie, how come we can hear his motor?
Right, mate.
We see the chimney come up and then behind it, nobody knows what this thing is. Is it a Hummer? Is it a Merc? No, it's a GWM. Yes, that's right. Great Wall Motor Company Ultimate 4-wheel drive. Tank 300. So this thing had a bit of lift by the look of it, some tyres, looked twin lock. And the boys said that the price of this vehicle ranges from 47 to 60K.
It's just, you need to get a bit across more.
Lucky we're not filming for the same channel, they were right next to each other.
Another one.
Oh, look at this.
You had it. Yeah. Try and crawl it. Liking it. Stop. Yeah. Left hand down. Good. So we get to the top of this hill, and unfortunately, that ends a fun series. We've got plenty more coming up. I hope you enjoyed this, and as always, thanks for watching.